Hey guys, hope everyone's doing good. This is Saturday session, and yeah, we'll be looking into a Bitcoin, right, guys? Okay, so today I'm out of stations, all right, but most probably I'll try my best. There might be a network issue, but if there is a network issue, then we'll just continue. But so without wasting time, let's try to analyze the market, right, guys? Okay. So what we have seen is right recently a market have been a little bit giving you all the pullbacks on upper side, right, guys, which is very good for the Bitcoin, right, guys. And on 15 minutes time frame, we see that the market have tried to break out on upper side. All right, okay. So we have seen that the market have tried to break out on upper side. If you try to draw one trend line from this levels, right, okay, especially from this levels and trying to touch this level and the final one, right? Okay, so this is what I have seen right on a Bitcoin, right, guys? Okay, and most probably I'm thinking yes, from yesterday only I'm holding for one long positions and upper side, right, guys? Okay, from this levels all the way on upper side 3.5 percentage I'm holding an upper side still, right? So I'll be holding this market. I'll be most probably waiting for the price to give a small pump on upper side, right? So let's see, guys, okay, whether it does it give us or not, right, guys? Okay, all right, guys, welcome, guys, welcome, hi, hello, hope everyone's doing good. Right. Mm-hmm. Hey, guys, hello, hi. If the network is issue, let me know, right, guys? Okay, so most probably I'm thinking I'm waiting for the price to push up on upper side, right, guys? Okay, and we have seen that if it happens to break out on upper side from this levels and upper side, right, guys? Okay, we'll try to go for one long position again for those who have missed from the downside, right, guys? Okay, so most probably above these levels we'll try to go for the long positions and try to grab an upper side, right, guys? Okay, maybe we might like to grab around $62,000 on upper side, right, guys? Okay, so let's see, guys, whether we get it this levels or not, right, guys? Okay, for those who are holding it, right, okay, you can have at least 1:3 positions, right, on upper side if it happens to break out on upper side, right, guys? Okay, if it happens to break out, right, okay. So most probably we'll be waiting for this levels, right, guys? Okay, if you wanted to open our long position from here, that's also fine, but a little bit risky, all right? So you'll be facing with a one downside move as well if you wanted to start from this levels, all right? So you need to have stop losses around this zone, right, guys? So I'm out of station, so most probably there might be a network disturbance as well, but okay, if there is a network disturbance, you let me know, right? So I can do something for you, all right? Okay, okay, guys. So most probably I will be expecting the price to move further on the upper side only tonight, right? So let's see when the market happens to open for the New York sessions. You might like to get a big boom on upper side or a downside, right, guys? Okay. So most probably in this levels, this can be there on a 15-minute time frame. There you can see that is a breakout on upper side, and this is retesting it, right, guys? If it happens to fail the retest, right, then the market is going to drop down. But if it happens to come out on upper side, then you are getting a big long side and upper side, right, guys? Okay, so most probably if it happens to move on upper side, right, you might like to target an upper side this levels, right? Okay, so still I'm holding, right, guys? Okay, for those who have opened a long position from here yesterday, right, I think your target is being done, right, guys? Okay, so yesterday we have been doing a long scalping in this levels, right? Most probably from this levels we opened a long positions and all your TPs have been done, right, yesterday. All right, so furthermore, moving an upper side again, we might like to see a big move on upper side, right, guys? This is what I feel on a Bitcoin. All right, okay, guys. So far so clear, guys. So far so clear. Keep pushing an upper side, right? Okay, so if it happens to drop down one more time, that will be a pullback towards the down. Drop down one more time, that will be a pullback towards the downside, right? Okay, pull back towards downside, or if it happens to break below this levels, right, you can plan at least till this levels to come down, right? Okay, guys, one. Okay, guys. One, two, three. All right, guys. What is going to happen is in these levels, right? Most probably on a 1 hour time frame, right? If you happen to see small drop down can be seen in these levels, right, towards the downside, right? And from here, you might like to get a pullback on upper side, right? Okay, guys. Mm. This is what I feel in this level the market can do in this level, right, guys? Okay. So most probably small pullback, right? And trying to move on upper side. I think the network is not very good because like I have come to so far distance from my home, almost 5 to 6 hours journey, right? So the network is not good, I guess, right? So guys, you can plan accordingly, right? I just came to show you the plans, right? Okay, so you can plan accordingly, right? Wherever it moves, right? Okay, so you can plan accordingly. So just be careful in these levels whether the market is going to close below these levels or just give you a small move on a downside and try to swap you all the way on upper side. So just your duty is to just wait above these levels to go for a big longs and upper side, right, guys? Okay, I think that's all, guys. Okay, I just came to give you a small uh, short planning, but the network is not as expected good, right, in this level right now. See, the network is not good in this place. Right, guys, the network is not good, right? Okay, guys, so accordingly you can plan it for your levels, right? Okay, so what I think is in this level, right, guys? Okay, let's wait. Small move on a downside and pull back on upper side can be expected. So you are overall planning your longs above these levels, right, guys? Okay, so above these levels, you are planning your good longs on upper side. All right, guys. So this can be one move, right? Okay, one beautiful move. If it happens to come down to these levels, for that reason, we are not longing over here. We just wait for the price to come down and try to move on upper side. A big move on upper side can be expected tonight, right, guys? Okay, so this is what I'm expecting right now. All right. दिल चुराए मेरी किसने है सनम. Okay, guys, so if the network is not good for today and tomorrow, right, then I might come only on the Monday for the live stream because I'm not at home. Okay, guys, so wait above this level. Okay, if it happens to break out on upper side, then you are going to get a very big move on upper side, guys, most probably, right? Okay, so tonight a New York session, you observe your New York sessions, right? Okay, so big move can be expected on upper side, I feel, right, guys? Network is not good. Okay, for the bearish market have broke out on upper side from the trend as well as it's reacting on the bearish as well. Okay, so just wait for the price to come down, right? Break it down, get a rejection from here, right? And move on upper side, right, guys? Okay, so this can be one expected move on upper side, guys. That's all, guys. Okay, for today, you just wait for this move. I don't want to give you all scalpings and all those things because, like, today is Saturday and Sunday, we won't be trading much, but you can focus on this levels, right, guys? Okay, for your moves, right? Okay, letting the price to come down.